Hi guys, welcome to Brains and the Beat. If you're new here, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're oldie but goodie, thank you for staying to your girl. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about a missing Jamaican that currently resides in the United States of America, and we're going to need your help finding her or getting something done about finding her whereabouts. So I'm going to show you guys her official missing person report from the county sheriff office where she lives, and it says missing person Adrienne Nicole Macdonald, 29. Please share. On Friday, March 1st, 2019, Adrienne Nicole Macdonald, 29, never showed up to work and did not make it back to her residence, which is located near Canyon Gulf and Wilderness Oak, far north Brexar County. This is limited information we have at this time pertaining to Adrienne's disappearance, and we need your help finding her. If you have any information on her whereabouts, contact Brexar County Sheriff's Office at 210-335-600 or email missingperson@brexar.org. Adrienne McDonald is 29 years old, height 5'11", weight 160, eye color is brown, and hair is black. And let me just first off say she is absolutely gorgeous. Okay, she looks like a supermodel. She's gorgeous. She's a gorgeous Jamaican woman. Now I'm gonna read the reports that are coming out of Jamaica, and it says a Jamaican-born woman from the parish of Portland have been reported missing in the United States, and police authorities there are theorizing that she may have been a victim of foul play. Missing is 29-year-old Andreen Nicole Macdonald. She reportedly failed to show up at work or return to her residence, located near Canyon Gulf and Wilderness Oak, on Friday, March 1st. According to the officials in the Brexar County Sheriff's Office in San Antonio, Texas, information reaching the news team is that McDonald had resided in Port Antonio before migrating to the United States. She is a past student of Norwich Primary and Titchfield High School in Portland, Jamaica. Media reports in the United States indicated that McDonald's husband, who is currently serving as a major in the United States Air Force, is a person of interest in the case and has been detained for questioning. Investigators reportedly took key interest in McDonald's husband after deputies made contact with him about his wife's disappearance. He quickly asserted his rights to legal counsel and refused to speak to us, Brexar County Sheriff Javier Salazar told U.S. media in an update on Saturday. Later, police authorities noticed that McDonald's husband leaving the couple's house on surveillance they had placed around the property. He was later discovered to be in a gun shop where Salazar said he purchased a handgun and ammunition. However, he departed the store without the weapon. He was later arrested outside his residence on Saturday night due to considerations of a possible mental issue on his part. Military investigators and the FBI are now involved in the case due to the husband's active status in the American military. The investigators have so far uncovered blood evidence and are continuing to search the couple's home. However, the probe is still being treated as a missing persons case. Meanwhile, the sheriff's office has appealed for anyone with information on McDonald's whereabouts or anyone interested in sharing surveillance footage to contact them. McDonald is said to be 5 feet 11 inches tall, weighs 160 pounds, and has black hair and brown eyes. According to Salazar, investigators are also probing whether McDonald had voluntarily left the United States despite leaving behind personal items that someone would normally take with them when traveling. McDonald, who has a 6-year-old daughter and operated a successful home care business, was last seen on Thursday, Salazar said. McDonald is the operator of Starlight Homes Assisted Living, which consists of two facilities providing personal care services for the elderly in San Antonio region. Information from the company's website suggested that after graduating from high school in Jamaica, McDonald went to earn an associate degree in marketing by age 18. Okay, marriage and moved to Florida followed before her McDonald's husband Air Force career brought them to San Antonio. She earned her business degree in finance from the University of Texas, San Antonio, but McDonald knew her degree wouldn't automatically mean she'd get a job. For me to get a job, one has to be available. Someone has to create a job. A biography about McDonald on her company's website stated. It added that Adrienne McDonald, decided to do just that. Create a job for herself while also creating jobs for others and making a difference for still more people. She founded Starlight Homes at 22, just a month after she graduated from college. Honestly, this woman seems like somebody that is progressive, productive, and well-rounded, and a businesswoman. So if they feel like foul play is like the cause, honestly, the United States Army personnel are well trained. I'm married to one, so I know they're well trained, and if he wanted his wife to disappear, I can guarantee you he knows exactly how to do it and how to make sure he's not implicated in her murder, and how to make it seem like he has mental issues or something went awry or she is to be blamed. I actually hope they find her alive and well, because she has a daughter, okay, a daughter, and it would be so sad to know that her husband killed her and left her daughter motherless. My prayers are with her family members and friends, and I hope they find her safe and sound. She's a gorgeous woman. She's not only gorgeous, she's also educated, progressive, and productive, and we hope to see you soon home with your child. Okay, and quite frankly, I feel like if the husband does not have anything to hide, he wouldn't have asserted a lawyer or any of that. And that's a red flag for me personally. I'm just going to say, if they find blood in their home, I feel like he actually done something to her. That's just my opinion on the whole story. Comment what your thoughts are in the comment section. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. And please, if you have any information or if you live in that area, please call the police. Share your surveillance videos. Share your street knowledge of what's going on. And I'll see you in the next one. Deuces.